Login failed on Moomoo Pro Fix. You launch Moomoo Pro, ready to trade or check your portfolio, and suddenly login failed. It's frustrating, but most login issues are minor and can be fixed in minutes if you know what to look for. First, check your internet connection. Moomoo requires a secure, stable network for login verification. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data and avoid public Wi-Fi can block logins due to security filters. Next, make sure your app is updated. Outdated versions often lose sync with Moomoo's latest security updates. Go to your App Store or Google Play and tap Update if one's available. Now, re-enter your login information manually. Skip autofill, it can accidentally input outdated passwords or add extra spaces. If you've recently changed your password, ensure you're using the correct one. If you use two-factor authentication, check that your phone's time is set to automatic. Time mismatches can cause your one-time code to fail, even if it looks correct. Still having trouble? Try clearing the app's cache. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Moomoo Pro Storage, Clear Cache. On iPhone, uninstall and reinstall the app. This removes corrupted files and resets your connection. If you're using a VPN, turn it off temporarily. Moomoo may block logins from foreign IP addresses for account safety. It's also possible that Moomoo servers are undergoing maintenance. If so, wait 10-15 minutes and try again. If the error persists, tap Forgot Password and reset your credentials. This often resolves login issues caused by security locks after multiple failed attempts. So next time your Moomoo Pro app says login failed, don't panic. Check your connection, update your app, verify your clock, and clear your cache. With these simple steps, you'll be back managing trades and market data with confidence.